entire planet. More recently, geographer Edward Soja declared that every square inch of the world is urbanized to some degree. While the changing morphology and scale of urbanized regions has attracted considerable attention among urban scholars, the worldwide urban fabric postulated by Lefebvre and Soja remains under-researched and poorly understood.
As shown in the iconic nighttime lights map, urbanization is most commonly represented as concentration, densification, and agglomeration. However, the Urban Theory Lab proposes a theoretical framework to understand these concentrated forms of urbanization in dialectical relation to the worldwide operational landscapes which support the worldwide urban network, and which together constitute the Lefebvrean urban fabric. Urbanization, therefore, must be understood as having both concentrated and extended dimensions.
Despite this new image of planetary urbanization, which includes both agglomerations and their operational landscapes, there are spaces which are commonly represented as untouched, empty, and not yet urbanized. Our task in this research project is to use our new approach to urban theory to explore whether the process of urbanization is also transforming the apparently most remote places of the planet. To what extent are processes of extended urbanization unfolding even in these extreme territories?
The analysis of the extreme territories explores the dynamics of this dialectical understanding of urbanization along several key axes. The intensity of commodification, expressed in the reorganization of land use and cooperative relations, from resource extraction to environmental degradation. The extension and thickening of connectivity infrastructures, from roads, air routes, shipping lanes, and satellite orbits to submarine cables. The socio-metabolic transformations that result from new regimes of intensity and connectivity, generating diverse forms of environmental reorganization and degradation at every spatial scale, affecting the very foundations of human and non-human life.
Through this analysis, we can generate new understandings of the extreme territories as spaces of urbanization that avoid the fetish of urban form, supersede the urban-non-urban divide, historicize urbanization as a process that is inextricable from capitalist forms of industrialization.
In order to test this theoretical framework, we have developed a methodology to investigate the various extreme territories. Each team analyzed an extreme territory through 3 probes, focusing respectively on the issues of intensity, connectivity, and metabolism.
These probes were used to generate a synthetic map that summarized their findings.
Each team then drilled down into one specific process of transformation, such as agriculture, military operations, resource extraction, or environmental degradation.
Teams further articulated these global assemblages among 3 key dimensions of analysis. Global economy, with a timeline-based periodization of political economic restructuring. Agglomeration, exploring the links between extended and concentrated urbanization. Urban fabric, mapping territorial transformations at various spatial scales.
All these components help build a theory that can explore the dialectics between concentrated and extending urbanization, and on this basis, illuminate the rapidly changing urban fabric of our planet. So, pretty speculative, pretty experimental.